So for this recipe, we'll take 1 spoon salt, 1 cup warm water, stir it, 2 cup plain flour, mix it well. I'm using plain flour, but you can use any flour you want. Add 1.5 tablespoon oil. And now knead it with your hand. Slowly add a little bit more flour and keep kneading until it's become like a chapati dough. I add 2 pinches of more flour and knead it for 5 minutes. That's it. After 5 minutes, you can keep it covered for 10 minutes aside. I just keep it under the shopping bag for 10 minutes. So our flour is resting now. We're gonna cut 2 onions and a bunch of coriander, really fine chopped. Now chop your coriander top of your onion. Really fine. And now chop this again until it's become really fine chopped. I think chop it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half a teaspoon black pepper and chopped again. And it's like that. Now after 10 minutes, take your flour out. Look, it's like this. Take some flour. Take it out. Knead it again with a little flour. Shape it like a ball. Make a small ball about that size. Okay? I made 6 balls out of 2 cup flour. Now I'm going to keep that under the shopping bag for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out. Take 1 bowl, sprinkle some flour and roll it like a chapati, okay? I'm making around 14-inch round chapati shape or round shape. You need to make that thin chapati, okay? Now sprinkle some flour. Fold it in the middle, sprinkle some flour, fold it again and sprinkle some flour here and just keep it on the side. Now I'm taking another bowl and exactly shaped like the first one. And now my second one is ready. I'm using ghee to brush my chapati, but you can use oil or ghee or butter. Sprinkle some flour and sprinkle your onion and coriander. Evenly sprinkle. Take your first chapati, place it right like that in the middle. So I'm gonna close the sides properly. Dab it. And now cut about 1 inch slice like this. Now start rolling one by one like this. That's one roll. Now the second roll. And now third. Four. This is our one ball is ready, okay? Keep it on the side with little bit flour, sprinkle flour, and start rolling another one from this side. My second is ready. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour and place it. So let's make all the 6 balls. All my wheel is ready. Let's cook now. So I'm going to take my one wheel roll and gently roll it. Not too much pressure. I heat my pan for 2 minutes, and now I'm going to place my little roll, and now I place my chapati. And now cooking time. When it starts changing color, brush it a little bit oil or ghee. After 30 seconds, turn it over again, and now turn it over again. Yummy. My onion roll getting ready. Now once again, turn it over. Look at that. Yummy. And now dish it out. Wow. Let's make the rest. Look at that. Ooh, so hot. Look. It's so hot, and look all this crunchy bit. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's amazing. Alhamdulillah. It's amazing. Alhamdulillah. Yummy.